Good morning, friends. We are studying 3.2 A Lesson in Life from a Beggar by Sudha Murthy. In the first video, we have discussed about warmer activities, and in the second video, you have been given listening practice and the new vocabulary has been introduced. You were asked to read the story after listening to it. Now in the third part, we are going to discuss about the margin line activities. Margin line activity number 1. Who is Meena? Answer: Meena is the writer's, means Sudha Murthy's good friend. What was Meena's nature like? Meena was pessimistic. It was as though her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. What is meant by she never had anything positive to say? It means that her thoughts and actions had always been negative. She was a pessimistic. Describe the location in Mumbai where the writer spotted Meena. The writer spotted Meena at the Akbar Ali's, a popular department store, as she was caught in the rain and was waiting to settle it down. What is the difference between an optimistic person and pessimistic person? An optimistic person accepts the change in any circumstance. He or she turns every difficulty or hardship into an opportunity. He or she always appears with smiling face. On the contrary, the person who always complains for everything, blames others for everything and opposes for every work, criticizes others, reacts angrily, is a pessimistic person. Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is a well-known Indian author. She has written her books in Kannada, Marathi and English. She is a social worker. She has completed Master of Technology (M.Tech) in Computer Science. An important mode came in her life when she read an advertisement in newspaper by the then telco, now known as Tata Motors. It was mentioned in the advertisement, lady candidates need not apply. Sudha Murthy wrote a letter to J.R.D. Tata and protested the gender discrimination. She is the first lady to join Tata Motors, previously known as Telco. Sometime she was a professor in an engineering college. She has been working as the president of Infosys Foundation. She has been helping to bring a tremendous change in the field of education in Karnataka. She has offered her helping hand to many institutions in tribal and rural part of Karnataka and neighboring states also. Her writing is realistic with her first-hand experience, and it is motivational to the youth who passionately want to overcome poverty. Some of her books: Wise and Otherwise, The Bird with Golden Wings, The Serpent's Revenge, The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk, House of Cards, The Old Man and His God. These are some of her well-known books. Next activity: what surprised the writer? The incredible change in the behavior of writer's friend Meena surprised her. What lesson did Meena learn from her guru, the beggar? Meena learnt from her guru, the beggar, that She should be always happy with what she had and always be grateful. She found herself more comforts than the people around her having. The beggar could live happy life even without food and shelter. Mina thought why she couldn't even after having many comforts. She considered the beggar as her role model. Describe an experience where somebody has changed your way of looking at life. Friends, this is the only personal response question in all margin line activities, so I leave it for your own response in your notebook. So consider this as personal response homework activity. Number 10. How did the beggar and his granddaughter enjoy the rain? Due to rain, there was no traffic on the road. The beggar and the girl, his granddaughter, were playing on the road joyfully, fully drenched. They were laughing, clapping, and screaming joyously. What did Meena do to show gratitude to her guru? Meena sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. So, these are the margin line activities. You must have attempted them. So, with the help of this video, you can check your own responses. Less or more, there may be some differences in words and sentences, but the theme should be the same. Then the meaning of or the conveyed message from the question should be the same. So watch it carefully. Those who haven't attempted, they should attempt all the margin line activities and write the responses in your notebook.